We thank you very much for coming here today. We are estimated more than 500 people. And today we are also celebrating the Lunar New Year. In addition, how long have we been here as a TAC? It's been more than 20 years. This is our board director. All right. Okay, Mei Xinjie, the secretary that we have. Now this is the TAC Taiwan School program, and so this is also Taiwan School's class. School, this some of the activities photos. Just the TAC PCML class. This just happened on Wednesday. This is our PCML class at Google. Worldwide, there's total 84. They select 4 to work, and we are one of them. So.
我代表北加州台湾会馆，欢迎大家今日来参加。
今日非常的欢喜，咱台湾会馆会当办这 Lunar New Year，甲咱的 community 吼，做进来庆祝咱的农历的新年吼。
OK， 好，谢谢。好，谢谢。我刷牙会累了，最后是挂起的吉他伴左右后，咚叮咚，咚叮咚，最后是来着了，三大后滴滴喽，春天的到位，花期梦阿弟，阿里巴里草比哩。 今仔日，咱要来甲大家拜年，大家新年快乐，身体健康，万事如意。
咱着笑眯眯，大家笑眯眯，无论拄着啥代志，咱着笑眯眯，大家笑眯眯。
What does TAC stand for? TACNC. Yes. Go ahead. All right. Okay, come here, Emma. All right.
Hảo了，可以。来。
大家做事情。
哎。哎。哇！下。哎。